In this video I'm going to show you a basic edit of a photo in Lightroom, very fast and very quick, so keep along. So first of all, we import the photo by clicking import in the bottom left hand corner of Lightroom. Next we find where our photos are. They're in my user folder in pictures. Then we're going to find the photo we want. We don't want to import them all, so I'm going to check them and only check the ones we want to import. Bottom right hand corner, import, then click develop. Now the first thing you want to do is make sure your tabs are closed, go to lens correction and enable profile correction and remove chromatic aberration. Next go up to your basic tab. I'm going to start with contrast plus 25. Highlights, you're going to set that to -60. Shadows plus 60. Whites, you're going to hold down left shift and double click on the slider and Lightroom will automatically adjust it for you. Same with the blacks. Texture plus 20. Clarity plus 20. Dehaze plus 10. Vibrancy plus 25. Saturation plus 5. Close down your basic tab now by clicking on the arrow. Go to your detail and you're going to raise the sharpening to plus 75. And then masking, you're going to hold down left Alt on your keyboard and raise the slider until only the outlines of your subject or buildings is present. Now we're going to close down our detail tab and we're done. Press Y on your keyboard to see a before and after. There's a before, there's our after. Press Y again to enlarge the image back. Now let's export it by going to the top left, clicking on File, Export, and then just make sure your parameters are set. Click in the bottom right hand corner, Export, and then you've exported your photo and it's saved as quickly as that. Let's have a look at them before and after. So here's the before, and here's the after. So as quickly as that you can edit a photo in Lightroom. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button below. If you want to see further videos from myself, why not check out this one? And if you want to see further videos again, hit the subscribe button. We'll catch up soon. Thank you very much for watching.